I'm super particular with my kitchen cookware, and Cuisinart stainless steel pots and pans have not disappointed me. We use them every single day. They're easy to clean. As you can see, they come in different sets, of course, but I love the fact that they stay just like that. They don't tarnish. They don't obviously stain very easily. And when they do have, food particles or burnt food, if you're not being careful, of course, super easy to just clean. You don't have to worry about, oh, is this going to scratch that? Is that going to tarnish this? Not at all. They're absolutely incredible. These, all of them go straight into the oven when you're done. If you want to, if you're done with the searing, you want to go straight into the oven, it goes. They will stain on that side, of course, because that just happens with the contact of, the flame or any kind of element, but the actual pan itself will stay beautiful. Super easy to keep clean as well, and a little bit of a polish if you are like us. I love actually displaying them as well. They look incredible displayed, hanging in a kitchen. If you polish them just a little bit, man, people are gonna be like, wow, this is an actual chef's quick kitchen. So you can pretend to be a chef once in a while. But we absolutely love them. They come with great handles, great covers for every single pot. And just choose a set that you want to use, whatever you select in terms of how big a set or how small a set. If it's a Cuisinart stainless steel set, you will not be disappointed. Highly recommend it.